today I am coming to you to celebrate and to really, my Coast Guard colors here, coming to you because I want to inspire you. We always get more of the story that we tell. So if we tell a story over and over about how hard things are in our marriage and in life, our brains actually keep finding more and more evidence of that. And so I want to help show you how you can intentionally choose thoughts to turn this around and to send your RAS, your reticular activating system, that part of your brain, on a mission to find what's going well. We call them wins, and they start with small successes. Sometimes I ask in my groups, on my calls, to share wins, and women think that they have to be these massive, massive things that, their marriage is at a 5-star or whatever already, It starts with small successes, looking for the little wins. And so I'm going to share this little positivity rant for you, because you know how our brains can go on those negativity rants. I'm going to give you a positive one. And if you are, if I have your email, you're probably getting this in your inbox as well, because it'll be written down for you. It's also in my Happy Wife community. If you're not in there, come join, because you can take it and read it several times to yourself as you reprogram your brain to be looking for the good. So as you hear this, or as you read the sentences when you're in my groups, feel the emotional shift. When our emotions shift, it brings everything up, and then we're going to keep getting more and more of that. So we want to get into a positive, feel-good state. So here it goes. I heard the concept that small successes add up, and that they create more of that, the more that I focus on it, and it turns it into big successes. And I really like the idea that, baby steps, that baby steps are going to get me to where I want to go. It makes sense to me that the most growth and healing everywhere in the world doesn't happen in one big leap, but growth everywhere happens one small step at a time, and then another, and then another, and then another, and so on. One small success builds on the next. I like recognizing my small successes. I like building on small successes, and I like growing with small successes. More and more, I can identify small successes, small wins in my day. I'm seeing them, and I can grow with small successes one by one, adding them up, getting me where I want to go. There are so many wins. It's so easy. It's so easy to create the marriage and the life of my dreams, the more that I'm looking for the good and that I'm celebrating the little steps, the little successes. It's so easy to grow as a woman into my best self with one small success at a time, one small shift at a time, and then another, and then another, and then another. In fact, I'm already doing it. I'm already having little successes. I see wins all around. I'm already on my way right now. Right now. Yay! So how did that make you feel? How does it make you feel when you think thoughts that are about bringing up positive emotion? Can you stop right now and type in the chat a couple of or in the comments below, type in what it is that you're seeing are small wins. Maybe just taking care of yourself. Maybe just pausing and thinking good thoughts. Maybe noticing the flowers outside. Maybe having planted some flowers outside, or seeing that the seeds you've put out there are growing. But spring and things are growing. There's new life. Talked to a woman this morning who's on working hard on her farm, and though she's drained in many ways, she's starting to shift and see the wins of even getting to feed the baby cows. It's a blessing. Time with her daughter is a blessing. Growing herself, learning how much more she needs God every day is a blessing. That life is happening for her. It's happening for you. It's not happening to you like a victim, right? But being able to see that life is happening for you so that you can grow. God's always calling us closer to Him. And He wants us to see the blessings. He wants us to count those blessings. So I invite you to make this a practice. And like I said, come and join my Happy Wife community or get on my email list so that you'll be able to get these in written form, because when you read it over and over, it's going to train your brain. Training your brain and thinking those positive thoughts will transform your life. And that as you show up as a happier woman and a happier wife, other people, including your husband, are attracted to you more and more. That's what we're up to here in the Happy Wife community on my campus, is becoming our best self and healing our marriages. God has so much hope for you. He has so many blessings He wants to and has been pouring out on you. Life is happening for you when you think that thought. How does that shift you? I'm Coach Carol, and I am standing for you. God bless your day.